Hello everyone, this is Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. We are going to be unboxing a special series of the UniView security cameras. Stay tuned and let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Tufik from TechSecurityUSA. Welcome to the third part of the unboxing of the UniView special series security cameras. Over here we have ourselves a UniView dual lens network camera in panoramic style, which is why the box is pretty wide. And yeah, just taking a look at it, it's got a pretty good design. This in specific is an IPC 2K28SE-ADF with an 8 megapixel lens and a 4mm of render distance. Taking a look at the box over here with its cool design, nice colors, and nice showcase of the security camera. It gives you straight to the point view of what the features are. We got ourselves the color hunter. We have the wide view with dual lens. This thing has two lenses. It has a built-in mic and speaker, a built-in SD card slot, and built-in warm light LEDs, which make use of the color hunter feature. So we go ahead and open up this box over here. Get this little guy and open. First thing we are greeted is your quick start packet. Open this guy up. You have yourselves your quick start guide. You have your drill guide. You have your screws. You have a complimentary hex wrench. Taking out the foam over here, you have yourself waterproof joints and the panoramic camera itself. And just go ahead and unwrap this thing. And as we see over here, you can see the two double lens showing up, the two 8 megapixel double lens. These are the two LED lights which make use of the color hunter feature. Right under here, there's a speaker, and over here is where you insert your micro SD card and also reset the UniView camera to default factory settings. And this overall is a very nice camera if you're really looking to secure a very open and wide spot. If there's any more questions about specifics or pricing, feel free to contact us at our number at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.techsecurityusa.com. I'm Tufik and I'm signing off. See you in the next one.